Welcome back, or welcome if you are new to my channel. This is going to be episode 3 of my Valentine's Day mini series, and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this sweetheart candy pastel Valentine's Day nail set. So this is all the products that I use, and they will be listed down below. So if you want to see how I accomplished this nail set, please stay tuned. So just a little disclaimer, I did already apply my tips off camera because I did use a peel off base. And if you would like to see how I applied my tips, please comment down below and I'll give a more detailed video of how to prep your nails for polygel sets. I just think that's kind of boring because it's all over YouTube how to do that. So, but if you guys want to see how I do it, just comment down below. Now you're going to see me take this yellow polygel by Makartt, I believe it's called Eggshell, and I'm just putting it on the tips because I want to have an ombre look, like a natural nude color ombre down into a bold color. So I'm going to be using a few different color polygels today, and yellow was one of them. So you're going to see me just smooth this down so it can have that ombre effect, and I'm going to do this to all the nails. These are the colors that I am using. They're all by Makartt. I really like Makartt's polygel because the consistency is not too sticky, it's not too hard, and it's not too thick. And if you use polygel, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just the right consistency to truly work with it. Now on this nail, it's going to be like a marble of colors. So I'm just putting a little bit of each color on the nail, and I'm just going to blend those together and shape my nail just like the other ones. And this one is not going to be ombre. So guys, I'm going in with this new polygel called Siesta. You're going to see me use this new polygel a lot because it's one of my favorites by Makartt. It's just a nice new color that complements all skin tones. And remember guys, I have this sped up. So take your time, doing this ombre, I like to make sure when I'm ombreing, I have a straight line, and then I'm really using a light touch. But when I come to that edge to ombre, that's when I press down a little harder to be able to get this type of ombre right here. And when I first started, I wasn't able to do this, but the more you practice, the better you will get at it. Off camera, I did go in on my middle fingernail and add some more of the new polygel, but this is the finished look. And next I'm going to encapsulate each nail with the clear polygel. This is so when I go to file, I do not file off my ombre. And this gives me a chance to really get my nail shaped the way I want it. The better shaping you do while applying the polygel, the less filing you will have to do at the end. And please, you guys, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. I know my videos are going a little quick, but I'm just assuming that you guys have seen a ton of polygel videos here on YouTube, and I'm really just trying to give you ideas as far as the art aspect. So off camera, I filed the nails and shaped them. And again, if you want to see a tutorial on that, I definitely can make you one. I'm going in with this base coat so I can stick these little hearts. I got these hearts from Hobby Lobby. They look like they're thin, but they're actually pretty thick. So I'm going to place these hearts where I want them, and then I'm going to cure. And remember, you guys, also, I do cure in between each layer. Whenever I put something on, better believe I'm curing it even though it's not showing on camera. Now I'm going with this Kiara Sky's Builder Gel because, like I said, these charms or this glitter, whatever you want to call it, is pretty thick. So I'm going to use this Builder Gel just to reinforce it a little bit and give it a smooth top layer. Because right now they're sticking up. I'm scared they're going to get caught on something and pull off. But with this Builder Gel, it's more secure than top coat because it's thicker. And you'll see me spreading this on. This you do have to make sure you have it leveled. You'll see me swiping my brush back and forth just to make sure that section is leveled and not too much of the Builder Gel is piled up in one area. You really have to go through and smooth this out, and don't lose the shape of your nail because you cannot really file after this point. I didn't want to go in with clear polygel because that would have made the nail way too thick for my liking. So I just went in with Builder Gel and it really worked out really good. Now I've done all the nails and I've cured it, and now I'm going to go on with the matte top coat. In my head, I thought I wanted it to be matte, but by the end, I did go in with shiny top coat and top coated it shiny. But also with the matte, it helps when you're doing nail art, the gel polish or gel paint actually sticks to it a little bit better. So I am going to outline these hearts in black, and that made it a little bit easier for me. And here are the nails done, all matte. That's how it looked matte. I'm going in with the 5mm liner brush, and I'm using my Poochiez black gel paint, and I'm going to outline each heart to the best of my ability, shall I add. Now you guys, if you made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and leaving a comment. It will really help my channel. I appreciate all of the support that you guys give. I'm trying to hit that 3,000 subscriber goal of mine, so please consider subscribing. So here the nails are all done, and this is where I'm going to go in with the shiny top coat because I wanted them to be shiny. Now I'm going to go in with my cuticle oil, and this is the complete set. Guys, down below please comment what you think about these nails. I love them. The colors are so pretty to me.